Hello, all. Good evening. Welcome to today's Bank Nifty analysis. Let's get started. Coming to the macros, as we can see, dollar index is in a downtrend. Let me put the daily chart. So, as we were discussing from past couple of days, that dollar index is in a downtrend, and post the Fed interest rate hike also, it is in a downtrend, and probably it is heading towards breaking the swing. I mean, the recent support of 100. So, the dollar index being in a downtrend in general is beneficial for equities, and dollar index is not taking retracements towards the 0.382 level, signifying that it probably can break the support on the downside. So this is a good news. If I guess dollar goes down, I think we are heading for all-time highs. But I mean, what dollar is waiting is probably for the CPI data this week. So this week we have a series of CPI data lined up. So I think post that we will get to know the direction of dollar. But dollar remaining in this condition itself is beneficial for equities or risk assets in general. So let us look at what we discussed in Bank Nifty. So last time we discussed that Bank Nifty gave a good correction on Friday, and it broke the first previous swing. So I mentioned that when we to take the previous swing, Bank Nifty has taken a bounce from around the 0.78 levels. Let me adjust this properly. So around 0.78 levels, Bank Nifty has. If I have to hide the previous thing, so this was the condition. Bank Nifty was kind of taking support from the point 78 levels. So now today Bank Nifty opened. Opened with the small gap up, a decent gap up, and start to go up. So this itself, is a good condition that price doesn't even come towards the gap. It's heading straight, in one direction. So this also is a bullish sign. Price opening above the closing of yesterday is also a bullish sign, and it went higher. And so this is the point. What I was trying to convey, that Bank Nifty, overall, it stayed at this, it went sideways. The action overall was sideways, but when you look at the swing, I mean, when you look at the recent swing of Bank Nifty, you find that Bank Nifty has crossed the 50% retracement, which is good, and it is still around 0.618. So expected that it can test the recent swing high, which is around 43 levels in the spot chart. Oh, this is a spot chart. So the same this is I had done on the uh, futures chart also, that Bank Nifty can probably, yeah, in the futures chart for this swing, it has already retraced almost more than 60%. It is kind of consolidating. So it is expected generally that if anything crosses 60%, the probability for it to reach the earlier swing high increases. So let us see how the index behaves. But Nifty, as usual, was stronger. Nifty has already taken support from the same support zones. In fact, Nifty had not broken the swing like Bank Nifty. So just when Nifty completed its 60% move, uh, 60% retracement, you can see Nifty took it out pretty soon. In the day, early part of the day, Nifty completed 60% retracement, and it reached the previous swing. So this is what I was talking about. When something um, completes its 60%, it probably tests the recent swing high. The chances increase. So Nifty has done it. Bank Nifty, hopefully it will complete in very soon. Coming to the order flow, what we find is that the first candle order flow was pretty bullish. I mean, such order flow itself is a strong clue that market is bullish, and for the day, bulls are in control. So it was strong buying No, there's no doubt about this. No loss, high delta. In fact, it is the same for Nifty also. If you can see that Nifty also, in fact, had a better condition. There was, higher follow up. That's why Nifty kept on going up, and Bank Nifty was kind of up and then sideways. So even you can see Nifty also, the order flow is pretty much good. Good buying you can see at the higher levels, delta increasing. So there's nothing much I can say about the order flow, because it was a very proper bullish order flow to begin with, and then price closed at the higher levels. So I mean, the point here is the open interest also in the morning. We can see that for Bank Nifty, we could see that in the first, by 10 o'clock itself, there was, way more put trade. You can see the 1.53 crore is a put change at, 10 o'clock itself. By 10:30, it kept on increasing, and hardly there is any call writing. So that's why it went stronger, and you can see call unwinding also at the lower levels, and increase in put writing. So overall, the Bank Nifty, we can see good amount of put writing and call and winning. Same with Nifty also. Nifty also, we could see that in the morning, Nifty was even stronger. It was 2 crore and there 47 lakh, and this kept on increasing actually. 2.78 crore, 50 lakh, and then you can see that at some point of time it became 3.34 crore and 15 lakh. So Nifty went on stronger, than Bank Nifty. That's why Bank Nifty went sideways. This is even visible even in any OI line type chart. You can see here that for the, you can take initial range. You can see that after a spike in put writing, the put writing almost remain steady or stagnant. Even call rating did not, budge much. After this, call rating also was steady. So I mean, at some point of the day, in the end, there was increase in call rating. That's where you can see some, fall in a sense, some minor pullback. But overall, it was a bullish. Although Nifty was more bullish than, Bank Nifty, because apart from banks, we had some other constituents also which were performing better. So overall, market is bullish. As we're discussing from many days, market remains to be bullish. When you look at the FI data, also this I had posted yesterday. Uh, FI data, in terms of just a minute. Yeah, I was trying to convey the open interest position. See, in April, this is what I posted, that in April FIs were, completely short, and they tried to cover all the short positions, most of the short positions, and now the market, because of short covering rally, has gone up. This is what the April hypothesis looked like. But now in May, also you can see that the OI is steadily increasing, and price is also reaching new high. So it makes for a case of, long build up when OI is increasing, and OI, is increasing, and price is also increasing. So this is a case for long build up. So today also we saw good OI increase and price also increase. So probably longs are getting added more. If this is the case, then we are heading higher. Uh, and no doubt about it. And then Nifty's PCR is also good, a bit neutral to bullish PCR zero point 0.9, and Bank Nifty's PCR is also zero point 0.8, kind of neutral with a positive bias, of course. So overall, things look bullish. Strategy should definitely be buying on every retracement, proper retracement. So now, when you look at the in swing, you can see that now we've got a proper swing here, like this to this. So any retracement, if the index gives, if it gives from this level to anything like a point 0.5, or I mean point 0.3 or a point 0.5 or this zone, these are healthy retracements. Still, the corrections, this will be pullbacks, uh, which will be very healthy. So that's why I was mentioning that these corrections are necessary for markets if they have to go higher. So anyway, let us. I mean, this week there's only one major data coming out, that is the CPI data of US. So that would be key. That would be key for dollar, and in turn key for the all the global emerging markets. So yeah, that's it. Hope this analysis was helpful. Thank you.